Blunt is a common surname of English derivation, meaning blonde, fair, Old French blonde, or dull, Middle English blunt, blont. A variety speaking as Blount. Lady Anne Blunt, 1837–1917. English horsebreeder, wife of Wilfrid Scawen Blunt. Anthony Blunt, 1907–1983. English art historian and Soviet spy. Giles Blunt, born 1951. Leader of the National Party of Australia. Crispin Blunt, born 1961. English Conservative MP for Reigate. E.A.H. Blunt, administrator and writer of the British Raj. Edmund March Blunt, born 1770. American navigator and magazine publisher. Emily Blunt, born 1983. British actress. Giles Blunt, born 1952. Canadian author. Henry Blunt, priest, 1794–1843. English Anglican evangelical cleric. Henry Blunt, chemist, 1806–1853. English chemist and painter. James Blunt, born 1974. British musician. James G. Blunt, 1826–1881. Union General in the American Civil War. John Henry Blunt, 1823–1884. English divine. John James Blunt, 1794–1855. English religious scholar. Joseph Blunt, 1792–1860. American lawyer, author, editor and politician from New York. Judy Blunt, born 1954. American writer from Montana. Leroy Blunt, 1921–2016. American politician. Matt Blunt, born 1970. Governor of Missouri. N. Bowditch Blunt, 1804–1854. American lawyer and politician from New York. Roger Blunt, 1900–1966. New Zealand Test cricketer. Roy Blunt, born 1950. U.S. Senator from Missouri. Former House Majority Whip and interim House Majority Leader. Russell Blunt, 1908–2004. Notable North Carolina track and field coach. Shannon Blunt, American engineer. Simon F. Blunt, 1818–1854. American sailor, cartographer, and ship captain. Wilfrid Scawen Blunt, 1840–1922. English poet and writer. Wilfrid Jasper Walter Blunt, 1901–1987. English art teacher, artist, author and curator of the Watts Gallery. Fictional characters. Alan Blunt, a fictional character from the Alex Rider novel series by Anthony Horowitz. Arno Blunt, a fictional character in the book Artemis Fowl. The Eternity Code by Owen Colfer. See also. Blount. Surname. Blunt. Disambiguation.